Hi, I'm Connie from Free Motion by the River, and today I want to show you the March fabrics that are part of the Lori Holt monthly subscription at Fat Quarter Shop. And this has been fun. I've been doing this for about 3 months, I believe, and here's the fabrics, monthly, and you get 12 fat quarters. This costs $34.95 plus shipping, depending on where you live. And I've been having fun getting these. And as you can see, I've got a pretty good selection here so far. I think part of these were a daily deal that I purchased, but the rest of these have been the monthly. And then I'm also, in case you didn't know, taking part in the Vintage Christmas with Lori Holt. And these are her fabrics that I'm using for that, and some of my blocks. And 1st of April, I'll be doing some more blocks. So let's take a look and see what these fabrics are like. As I said, this is the March 2025 Lori Holt Fat Quarter Bunch. I always like to keep this card because if I ever want to order some more, especially like for a binding or something. What do you think of those March colors? Does that make you think of St. Patrick's Day? They're cute, and I look forward to adding them to my stash. Let's see what we have here. First off, we have a white with a little green check. I like that. I like all of them. Oh, look at this. That old-fashioned pattern sewing. I used to sew all my own clothes when I was younger. There's a brown with floral print. There's a brown, kind of like a checkered, little different design. I like to call this mustard with a little brown on it. Here's another mustard with green and white little symbols on it. There is like a lime green gingham. There's another lime green with like a tone on tone, nice small print. Another green, leaves. These are getting more into the olive tone. Another one that's an olive tone. And this one is almost more like a Kelly green, a little white check. Those are cute. So that is the Fat Quarter Bundle for March 2025. Let me know what you think of them. Thank you. Here's a nice view of the fabrics. I like seeing them when they're all folded up and ready to go on my shelf.